Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Denver sales tax account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in denvergov.org. It will take you to the official website of Denver where you can see, in this homepage, the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. It will take you to the login portal for Denver account. So, over here, enter the email address of your account within the email box section. Once you do that, enter the password in the password box. If you want to keep your account signed in, you can click here Keep Me Signed In. But if you are using a public computer, I do not recommend you to do that. And if you guys forgot your login credentials or password, you can click here Forgot Your Password to reset it. Once you do that, click on the Sign In button. You will be signed in into your Denver tax account. And if you want to create a new account, you can click here Sign Up Now to create an account. Also, you guys can sign in with your social account by clicking on Facebook and Google buttons respectively. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.